Today, something has changed. We are building thousands of cell towers every year. Convenience for us. But at what cost? Birds, especially small species like sparrows, are highly sensitive to electromagnetic radiation emitted by cell towers. These radiations interfere with their navigation systems, making it difficult for them to find their way home. They also affect reproduction. Eggs may not hatch properly, and their survival rates are decreasing. Studies suggest that prolonged exposure to electromagnetic fields can damage bird tissues and disrupt their natural behavior. While technology has transformed our lives, it is silently impacting the delicate balance of nature. Imagine a world without birds. Birds are not just part of nature, they are indicators of a healthy environment. If they disappear, it's a warning sign for us all. So, what can we do? We can support eco friendly infrastructure, reduce unnecessary radiation exposure, and create safe spaces for birds to thrive. Because protecting them means protecting our future. Let's not turn our skies silent. Once vibrant with life, our urban landscapes now echo with emptiness as the melodies we cherished fade into distant memories. Each time we hasten our technological pursuits, we risk erasing the beauty of nature around us. Imagine waking up to a world where the only sounds are the hum of machines and the rustle of plastic wrappers. It's in our grasp to reforge the connection we once had, to restore harmony between progress and preservation. Let's remember that our advancements should uplift the melodies of life, not silence them. We can make a difference, one small step at a time. As we embrace the conveniences of modern life, let us remain vigilant stewards of our environment. Each decision we make can either stifle or nurture the delicate balance we share with the avian dwellers of our world. It's essential that we rekindle our bond with nature, allowing it to flourish alongside our technological progress. Let us take action, ensuring tomorrow's mornings are still graced by the sweet symphonies of birds, harmonizing with our dreams of a brighter future. With every tree planted, every habitat restored, we can weave nature back into the fabric of our lives, cherishing the songs that once filled our skies. Together, we can ensure that their melodies endure for generations to come. But how do we begin this journey back to harmony? It starts with awareness, understanding the impact of our choices. Visuals shift to families engaging with nature, children learning about birds, community initiatives sprouting across neighborhoods. By educating ourselves and others, we spark a movement, one that cherishes our feathered friends. The scene transitions to volunteers, constructing birdhouses and planting native trees, illustrating collective efforts. Together, we can create a sanctuary nurturing life in our shared spaces. As the music swells, the camera captures the joy and hope radiating from these small yet meaningful acts. Because every action counts. Each gesture can echo through time. As we move forward, let's engage in conversations about conservation, inspiring one another to make choices that uplift rather than diminish. Every single person can contribute, whether through simple acts of kindness to nature or by spreading awareness about the challenges birds face today. The narrator's voice resonates with hope, reminding us that reclaiming our connection to the planet starts with dialogue. Together, we can pave the way for coexistence, ensuring that every sunrise welcomes the vibrant sounds of life once more. Let us rise to this challenge, nurturing the delicate tapestry of our ecosystem with care and compassion.